Hey folks, we are now currently as far as we're going to get from Sarajevo on this road trip, which is, I believe we're right near the border of Switzerland, in western Germany, in a little town called Freiburg. We're going to check it out and hopefully do some hiking in the Black Forest tomorrow. Behind me is Cathedral 417 on our European trip. Let's go see what we can see. Maybe get some Black Forest ham here while we're in the Black Forest. I don't know. What is this thing? That's Europe for you. Just adorable, old style architecture. Everywhere you look once you get into Old Town. Mr. G pro tip, how to find Old Town in any European town. Just pop the cathedral of that town into your Google Maps. Which is exactly what we did to find the Old Town in Freiburg. Alright guys, we're taking a walk up in the hills above Freiburg in the Black Forest today. And everybody and their brother's out today because it's an absolutely gorgeously warm and sunny day. Good day for some tea and a picnic up here.
Wait, I don't have a picnic? I thought this was just a hike.
Well, it's a hike with food, so it becomes a picnic. Mrs. G and younger G are going to get pictures of the world's biggest cuckoo clock, but I don't want to break it to you guys, it just looks like a normal clock. One can assume birds and things come out of it on the hour, but it's 3:15 and I am not waiting around 45 minutes for cuckooing. Well, it's New Year's Eve, and everything else in Freiburg is pretty much closed. So we are at Mundenhof, which is like a kid's petting zoo with goats. Can you see the camel? Where's the camel? It's somewhere back there, and goats and burros and camels.
That's what's so weird about their eyes.
Come all the way to the edge of Germany and France to bring you camels. And guys, this pretty much wraps it up. The remainder of this trip is going to be the long drive back from the border of France through Austria, Slovenia, Croatia, through the mountains, and back to Sarajevo because work starts soon. It's New Year's Eve. I don't know when this video is going to come out, so it'll probably be 2020. So if you're watching it, happy 2020, and I hope you had a good 2019. Good luck out there. Mr. G out.